To estimate the activation energy from these reaction coordinate diagrams, we remember that we're trying to get from the energy of our reactants up to the top of this hill, this activated state. So we're going from 10 up to 35. So in this first case, the activation energy is about 25 kilojoules per mole, at least in the forward direction. And for the second, we're going from 10 up to 20, so our activation energy is about 10 kilojoules per mole in the forward direction. So the faster of the two is going to have the lower activation energy, so it's going to be the second reaction here. Bonus content, let's determine the delta H of these reactions. The delta H is determined from the energy of the products minus the reactants. So this would be, for this first reaction, 5 minus 10. So the delta H is going to be exothermic by about 5 kilojoules per mole. And the second reaction, it's also exothermic, and it's also exothermic by about 5 kilojoules because we have 5 minus 10, so minus 5 kilojoules per mole.